What? What are you looking at? This isn't the handheld game console we played with as kids. This is the Redmagic 9S Pro. This video, let's take a closer look at it. Starting with the unboxing. SM card rejector, some paperwork, and also a transparent phone case, exactly the same as its predecessor, the Redmagic 9 here. Woo! This is the color I've been long asking for. This is what the official name called it. Snowfall. I just love this silver color. Wow. Alright. The card, the same like this type C to C. And this 80 watts fast charger. Feels so premium. On the top, we have that 3.5mm headphone jack, the infrared blaster, speaker, and then the fan ventilation here at the bottom. Type-C speaker and SIM card tray. Moving to the right side, we have the touch-sensitive shoulder keys. What's the ventilation, the power key, volume rocker, and also the game key. I'm moving to the back. Pretty much the same, just different finish, different color. Yes, in terms of design, the Redmagic 9S Pro looks the same as the 9 Pro. The major differences lie inside the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version. Compared to the standard 8 Gen 3, has an upgraded CPU to 3.4 GHz and an increased GPU frequency to 1 GHz, offering 11% improvement. What does this mean? In short, it provides better performance, especially for 3D rendering games. From the GFX Bench 5.0 GPU test, compared to the Dimensity 9300, it shows a slight improvement. It also outperforms the standard 8 Gen 3 and is significantly better than the 8 Gen 2. This can also be seen from the Antutu benchmark scores. So if you use a Redmagic phone from last year or earlier, you might consider this one. But if you own a 9 Pro, you can skip this upgrade. Well, I'm not a heavy gamer, but Redmagic gaming series phones have always been sufficient for me. They run smoothly and playing any mobile games is not an issue. The classic capacitive shoulder keys are such a helper in shooting games. I can't live without them. Though I don't play that much, I do appreciate that it provides many game-based features that I find interesting, like screen extraction. You can select a piece of the game screen and freely adjust to other positions for optimal viewing. You can even adjust the screen aspect ratio, allowing you to view more game content and kill the enemy before they even see you, because they are using a less capable phone. Not as good as the Redmagic 9S Pro. Out of all the new gaming features, my favorite is the new Super Wallpaper. Hold on your home screen, head to Wallpaper and click Inspired Wallpapers. Here you can choose many minigame wallpapers. It's such an interactive way to engage with your home screen. I just love those vintage games like Snake and Tetris. It even offers several classic interfaces for these two games, making it feel like holding a dedicated game console and bring back all my childhood memories. For other differences, the 9S Pro has upgraded its cooling system to the ICE 13.5, featuring new frost cooling gel for ultra-low thermal resistance. This ensures uninterrupted gaming sessions with an upgraded 22,000 RPM built-in fan. Additionally, it has an impressive 6,500 mAh battery, one of the best on the market, which can easily last 2 days with casual use. The 80 watts charger utilizes Qualcomm Quick Charge 5 technology, allowing you to charge from flat to 100% in just around half an hour. The camera is the same as the 9 Pro with a 50 megapixel main and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Though not as compelling as other flagships, it's usable for daily life since this is primarily gaming phone. To conclude, should you buy the Redmagic 9S Pro? Well, as I said before, if you own the 9 Pro, you can probably skip this one. But if you don't have it and want the best gaming phone in 2024, you should get the Redmagic 9S Pro. This is undeniably a beautiful phone. Even if you don't use it for gaming, just for daily use, it will attract a lot of attention. The uninterrupted front screen makes it surreal to watch movies, providing an ultimate immersive viewing experience. The flyback without a camera bump is excellent to hold the wall place anywhere you want. Plus the top-tier gaming performance, gigantic battery, and lightning-fast charging space offer something that no other gaming phones dare to. And you know what? It's even more budget-friendly than some of the current gaming phones like the Asus ROG, which is always an attractive selling point. So if you are interested, definitely check out the link in the description and get the Redmagic 9S Pro now. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami, and we'll see you in the next one. Ooh, ooh. I just scored a 0.